Doodle's host feature enables team or enterprise plan members to create co-hosted meetings or meetings booked on someone's behalf, making calendar management for executive assistants and collaborative teams easier than ever before. Hosts is a feature within a feature of Doodle's booking page. If you've not yet created a booking page, learn how to set up a booking page by reviewing the resources in Doodle's Help Center or watch our comprehensive video tutorial. If you are creating a new booking page, simply click Create a New Booking Page from your Doodle dashboard. If you are adding a co-host to an existing booking page, click on the 3 vertical dots next to the selected booking page and click Edit. For this video, I will edit existing booking pages. To add a co-host or book on behalf, click Edit in the Hosted By field on the top right of the booking page creation screen. To add a co-host, search for the name or email of the person you would like to add. Please note that you can only add people who are a part of your team or enterprise subscription. With co-hosts added, meeting participants will only be offered times that are mutually available for all meeting hosts. However, please note that co-hosts are required to connect a calendar to their Doodle account to have their availability taken into consideration. To remove a co-host, click the corresponding green button. Click Done to confirm the selection of hosts. If you're creating a new booking page, continue setting up the rest of your booking page. If you are editing an existing booking page, finalize your settings by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Please note that your booking page summary screen will confirm your selected co-hosts. The co-host feature can be used by anyone, but it is especially powerful for HR professionals and recruiters conducting panel interviews, sales team pitching to clients as a group, and nonprofit leaders and entrepreneurs meeting with investors. To book on behalf of someone else, click Edit in the Hosted By field on the top right of the booking page creation screen and search for the name or email of the person you would like to add. Next, check the Book on Behalf box. With this box checked, your availability will not be taken into account when time slots are offered to the participants. You will also not be invited to the calendar event once the meetings have been booked. Click Done to confirm your selections. If you're creating a new booking page, continue setting up the rest of your booking page, and if you are editing an existing booking page, finalize your settings by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Booking on behalf is a powerful time saver for anyone in charge of managing multiple calendars, including executive assistants, personal aides, medical office staff, and more. When you are using the Hosts feature, remember that you can only add people who are a part of your team or enterprise subscription. Also, you can add up to 5 hosts per booking page, yourself included, and all co-hosts must have a calendar connected to their Doodle accounts in order for their availability to be taken into consideration. Additionally, all settings are defined by the owner of the booking page, such as work hours and meeting duration, which will determine the time slots offered to the participants. Finally, we recommend titling booking pages such that you can quickly tell that it is a shared booking page with someone else. This will ensure you share the right booking page with the right audience. Schedule the smart way with Doodle. It starts with when.